people, this is how I sit. This is how we relax, all three of us. And she was just now licking me. It just feels so good, yeah, having these pets. This guy. So yeah, when rabbits are relaxed, they make this purring sound. That is by grinding their teeth. That is their way of showing that they are at ease. So yeah, this is how we like to wind down our day after a busy day. So yeah, just feels so good. But I think I will still do my 45 times Surya Namaskar. Yeah, today I did cooking also, but yeah, let's make it happen. I swapped the whole house, and now we are spending some quality time. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.